Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video here to show you guys how to use this LC711 I mean sorry, LC7I. But yeah, now right here we got the speaker wire inputs. They usually come with like plugs. So they come with plugs that you can put up in here that you can screw the speaker wires up in here. So you're gonna run wires for everything. So you should run 2 wires here. I mean 4 wires here, 4 wires here, and 4 wires here. You can wire this straight from the head deck, from your factory head deck, speaker wires from in the back of it. So the best thing for you to do is probably tap into the speaker wires that's behind the head unit and run all the speaker wires from the head unit straight to this. You should have at least, because you got the front, you got 1, 2, 3, that's the front and right. Front, back, that's the front, that's the left and right. So you should have like a total of like 12 wires running. I'm gonna say this left and right one would be to your, your front door speakers. The second one, channel 2, will be to your back door speakers. And this one right here could be to your 6x9 hookup. You should have all speaker wire hookups for that. Now, if you want to get a little bit more technical, you can run, the wires straight from the doors straight to this. You can do it that way. Now, once you have, connected all those wires to this, the next thing you do is get your RCA jacks. So that's to be right on this side. So your 4-channel amp will go right here. So you're gonna RCA from your 4-channel amp to this right here. So it'll be the main and the channel 2. Your channel 3 will be the subwoofer amp. This right here would be, your bass knob. So once you have all that ran, you should see the connection lights come on. You should see this light come on as a red, and you'll see these 2 lights green. As far as I can remember, those were on. So they gotta be connected to the main channel. You don't want to see this light on. That means it's maximized. So yeah. Oh, and just to forget about the power. I mean, I didn't forget about the power connections almost. But you have like, 4 different connections on here. It's going to be a plug, of course. So you'll have your ground, you'll have your battery, and you'll have your remote in. So your ordinary remote will go right up in the remote in, and your remote out will go to, your 4-channel amp, and your, well, you can go your remote out can go to your bass amp, and then you can run a remote wire from your bass amp to the 4-channel amp. That's the way I did it. But yeah, man, I hope this give y'all a better understanding how to use this. Now, as far as the input levels, I mean, you can try to match it. You can try to match your input levels to your amp input levels. That's what I kind of did. Like I I really didn't have the bass button on. I turned it off. So all my bass was off. And, you know, I had my input up to where my amp was at. And so basically that's where my amp is set up, like probably a quarter or a little bit over a quarter. So that's what I did. I just gain matched. I gave a good, and this give you a little bit better output too to the amp. So again, we're gonna go quickly through it. You know, run all your wires from the back of the head unit to this area. You got main input, you know, channel 2 and channel 3. Channel 3 is always for the subwoofers. Because this is what controls the subwoofers right here. You know, then you go to your remote. Well, let's turn it around to the RCAs, and you go from, you know, your 4-channel amp. It's going to go to these 4 plugs, and this 2 right here, it's going to go to your bass amp. And then you turn right here again. Ground, power, remote in, that's going to be a remote straight from your remote hookup. Then it's remote out, that's going to go straight to your bass amp, and the bass amp remote would go straight to the 4-channel amp. That's it, man. I can't really explain it no better, man. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. You know, so I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.